In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and click on the one that you wish to add from File Manager or Contacts. Either way, click on the chosen one and then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you wish to change order of your contacts, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Then move them, and after establishing a perfect one, hit Save. Lastly, to remove any added contacts, hit on those X's next to the chosen ones. Then confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!